Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can install IICS Secure Agent on Oracle VirtualBox. I have created a virtual machine, IICS Dev 01, and it is running on Ubuntu Server. So how I have configured is like I have given 6 GB of RAM and 150 GB of storage. I have started this virtual machine and it is currently running. So here I am going to install the IICS Secure Agent. So I have enabled the SSH for this server. So I'm going to connect outside of this window. So in order to connect, I will open the terminal. So here I'm able to see what is my host, that is 192.168.1.6. So I'm going to do SSH on the server. Yes, so I have connected to the server and I'm going to download the IICS Secure Agent and I'm just going to put that file in the server. So for that, I'm going to use the WinSCP. So let me connect. So host is 192.168.1.6, username and the password. So I have successfully logged into the server. Let me go to the IICS portal. So here under runtime environment, I can download the secure agent. So I have already downloaded the secure agent. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new install token. So let me copy this and put it in a notepad. So now I will just transfer this particular agent installation file to the server. So under downloads, I can see this agent 64 install ng exe.bin. And I'm going to put this in home and under the username Regrom. So I'm just going to copy paste here. Yes. Now let me go to the terminal. Do ls. Yep. So I'm able to see this particular file. Let me check whether this particular file has the full access. So for that, we need to type ls-l. So we can see it don't have the full access. So now we want to give full access to the file so that we will be able to install it. So I'm going to just clear the screen first. Yes. So I'm going to do chmod 777 and the file name. Now when I say ls-l, I can see it has the full access. Now let's start installing the agent. So I have created a blog for that. So from here, like you can just get all the commands that I'm going to use in this particular video. So first we want to install this particular file that we downloaded. So dot slash, sorry, space -i space console. Okay, let me add dot slash. Yes. So so by default, it is going to install on this particular directory and I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to press enter for this. So if you want to install the agent in different directory, then you can just give the path so that it will install it in that particular directory. And so it's going to occupy this much bytes uh, to install it. So I'm okay with that. So let me click on enter. So the installation started. Okay, the installation got completed. Now let's go to this WinSCP and just try to refresh. Yes, we can see this info agent folder, and we were able to see all the files here. Okay, now let me go to the blog. So now we want to go to the agent core directory in order to start the agent. So let me go to this agent core directory first. And here we can see few files. So this particular command is to get the status of the agent. So we haven't started the agent yet, so we cannot get the status. So let's try to start the agent. Okay, so now we want to activate the agent so that it will get reflected in the Informatica. So first we want to say console manager.sh configure token, and you want to give the username after this configure token. So I'm just going to give the username. After that, you want to give the token that you copied earlier. So I'm just going to copy it. Yes, login with token, login successful. Now let's try to get the status, and let's see in Informatica. Yes, now we were able to see the status of the agent, and let me go to Informatica and just refresh here. Yes, I can see IICS Dev 01. So this is a agent group, and under that group I can see the agent IICS Dev 01. So the agent is starting. So usually the data integration server used to take so much time to start for the first time. So let's wait for that to start. Now let's try to create a flat file connection just to verify whether we were able to access the server. So let me go to the connections and create a new connection. I'm going to name it as ff underscore uh, local test, and so it will be a flat file. So the runtime environment will be IICS dev 01. Now let me click on the browse. So here I can see all the path, all the folders. Now let me just minimize it so that I can see all the folders. So here under home I have this regrom folder. So I'm just going to click on it, and let me click on OK. So the code page will be UTF-8, and let me test it. Yes, so the test connection got successful. Yep, thank you for watching.